Have you ever wondered if you're fully utilizing your car's hidden features? Many drivers go 5 or 10 years without discovering built-in tools designed to boost safety, comfort, and savings. From a secret mechanical key tucked inside your remote to one-button window, venting for heat escape, or even blind spot warnings and automatic speed control on downhill slopes, these can completely transform your driving experience. In this video, you'll uncover 13 little-known but incredibly useful secrets that can save you in emergencies and make every drive smarter and safer. Like and subscribe to the channel if this video helps you. One hidden mechanical key in the key fob. Most of us are used to pressing a button to unlock the car, but few know that inside that sleek key fob lies a hidden mechanical key. This seemingly redundant detail has saved countless drivers from frustrating situations. Picture this. You're at a parking lot after a long day, frantically pressing the remote to unlock the door, but the battery's dead. The sun's blazing, your hands are full, and all you want is to get in the car. That's when the hidden mechanical key becomes a lifesaver. Usually there's a small latch on the side or back of the fob. Slide or press it, and you'll pull out the key. The lock on the car is often hidden too, typically behind a small plastic cover on the door handle. Many drivers go years without noticing this feature. Once you know it, you'll never worry about a dead fob battery or electronic lock glitch stranding you. It's not just a backup, it's a clever design touch, adding an extra layer of security so you're not entirely reliant on electronics. De-extendable sun visor. When the sun dips low and blinds you, the standard sun visor often falls short. You flip it down, but sunlight still sneaks in from the side, streaming through the window and hitting your eyes. That glare is not just annoying, it's dangerous, as a moment's distraction can make you miss a hazard on the road. The surprising thing, many cars have a built-in fix that most drivers overlook: the extendable sun visor. Hidden inside the visor is often a sliding panel. Pull it out and it covers the gap at the side, blocking light that regular visors miss. This small adjustment makes a big difference. Your eyes stay comfortable, your vision isn't interrupted by flashes of light, and you can focus fully on the road ahead. It's a perfect example of a simple feature that significantly boosts safety and comfort while driving. 3. Fuel cap direction arrow. Fuel. Have you ever driven an unfamiliar car, pulled into a gas station, and struggled to figure out which side the fuel cap is on? You lean out the window, check the mirrors, or even get out to look. It sounds funny, but almost everyone's been there at least once. The surprising part, the answer is right in front of you on the dashboard next to the familiar fuel pump icon. If you look closely, you'll see a small arrow pointing left or right. That arrow is the secret telling you exactly where the fuel cap is. No guessing, no waving to the gas station attendant for help. Just a quick glance gives you the answer. This tiny detail is a lifesaver for anyone driving different cars like rentals, borrowed vehicles, or company cars. Car makers have included this feature for years, but it's so subtle that most drivers miss it. Not only does it save time at the pump, but it also prevents the awkward and potentially unsafe moment of pulling up on the wrong side, backing up, or turning around in a busy station. 4. Lower windows with the remote. In the summer, we've all felt that blast of scorching air when opening a car door, like stepping into a mobile oven. The dashboard burns, the seats steam, and the steering wheel is too hot to hold for long. Most people fumble to crank the AC to max, but it takes minutes for the cabin to cool. What many don't know is that a lot of cars have a handy feature. You can lower all the windows using the remote with a simple action. Your key fob isn't just for unlocking doors or setting the alarm. On many models, holding the unlock button for a few seconds makes all windows roll down automatically. Some cars require 2 quick presses and a hold, or you may need to enable it in the settings. This lets hot air escape quickly, allowing cooler outside air to rush in before you even step inside. The best part, it's completely free, requires no modifications, and needs no extra equipment. Try it today, and if your car supports it, you'll be amazed at the convenience. It's especially helpful for quickly cooling the car for kids or pets before they get in. 5. Anti-glare rear view mirror toggle. If you've driven at night, you've likely felt the annoyance of headlights from a car behind you beaming straight into your eyes through the rearview mirror. The glare isn't just uncomfortable, it reduces visibility and can distract you, raising the risk of an accident. But many don't realize their traditional rearview mirror has a simple fix: an anti-glare toggle. With a gentle flick of the small tab under the mirror, it shifts the angle of reflection, scattering the harsh light from headlights so it no longer blinds you. The view behind remains clear enough to monitor traffic, but it's much gentler on your eyes, making night driving safer and more comfortable. This design has been around for decades, yet because it's so subtle, many drivers go years without using it. In newer cars, this feature is upgraded to auto-dimming electronic mirrors. Sensors detect bright light and darken the mirror surface automatically. No action is needed. Whether manual or automatic, the goal is the same: protect your eyes and keep you focused on the road at night. 6. Trunk escape handle. It might sound unusual, but this is one of the most critical safety features few notice. Imagine being trapped in your car's trunk, a scenario that seems like something out of a movie, but has happened, especially with kids or unexpected emergencies. Before 2002, dozens of deaths occurred yearly from people trapped in trunks due to suffocation or heat stroke. Since then, U.S. law has required all passenger cars to have an internal trunk escape handle. This handle is often brightly colored or glow in the dark, making it easy to spot in an emergency. One pull releases the trunk lock, letting anyone inside escape without tools. It's not just a lifesaver for kids who might climb in while playing. It could be a critical exit route in worst-case scenarios. Surprisingly, many owners never check if their car has this feature or even remove it, thinking it's unnecessary. But that's a risky choice. This small, low-cost part could mean the difference between life and death in a critical moment. 7. Speed-sensitive volume control. Have you noticed your car's music getting louder and clearer on the highway, but feeling a bit too loud at a stoplight? If so, your car might have a smart feature many drivers don't know about: speed-sensitive volume control. Here's how it works. As you speed up, road noise from wind, tires, and the engine grows louder, making you want to turn up the volume. Instead of constantly adjusting the radio, this system uses a speed sensor and cabin microphone to measure noise levels. When you accelerate, it automatically boosts the volume to counter the background noise. When you slow down, it lowers the volume, creating a quieter, calmer space without startling you. This not only makes driving more comfortable, but also safer. You don't have to fiddle with the radio or screen while driving, reducing distractions. On long trips, it keeps music balanced, not too quiet on roaring highways or too loud in city stops. Many owners have this feature, but accidentally turn it off in the settings or never know to enable it. If your car's volume seems to change mysteriously, check the infotainment menu for speed volume, or SVC. Turn it on and you'll enjoy a smoother, more natural audio experience. 8. Wiper maintenance mode. Have you ever struggled to replace wiper blades because the wiper arms are stuck under the hood and won't lift? Some even yank them hard, risking bending the wiper mechanism. The truth is, most modern cars have a wiper maintenance mode, but sadly few drivers know about it. This mode lets the wiper arm stand upright away from the windshield, making cleaning or blade replacement easier and safer. Activating it is simple. Usually you just turn off the ignition, then quickly flick the wiper control for a few seconds. The wipers will stop in a raised position instead of their usual tucked away spot. Some cars require a specific button combination or a setting in the menu, a process that takes mere seconds. The benefits are clear. Raised wipers make it easy to clean dirt, leaves, or thin ice off the windshield without forcing your hand into tight spaces. Replacing blades becomes safer, avoiding scratches on the glass if the wiper snaps back unexpectedly. In cold climates, this is a lifesaver, preventing wipers from freezing to the windshield and risking motor burnout if you accidentally flip the switch. 9. Hidden storage under seats or floor. While many drivers complain about limited storage space, they're often overlooking a hidden treasure built right into the car's interior. Many SUVs, minivans, and trucks come with concealed storage compartments under the seats or floor. Yet most owners never notice or use them. These compartments are cleverly designed and easy to access, but nearly invisible unless you look closely. With a quick lift of a seat, a pull on a floor panel, or a tug on a small handle, you'll find a handy space big enough for emergency tools, rain gear, a small fire extinguisher, personal items, or valuables you want to hide when parking in public. Some models even have waterproof compartments, perfect for storing cold items or things prone to mold. These compartments don't just maximize space, they add safety and tidiness. Instead of cluttering the trunk or back seats, you can keep everything neatly tucked away, keeping the cabin clean and spacious. When needed, items are just seconds away. Best of all, it adds peace of mind in public parking lots as valuables stay out of sight. Sadly, many owners never check or try these compartments, some discovering them only after years of ownership. 10. Auto lock when walking away. Have you ever walked a few steps from your car, then stopped, wondering, did I lock the doors? That moment of doubt often sends you back to press the remote or tug a handle to be sure. But many modern cars have a smart feature that eliminates this worry. Auto lock when you walk away. It's simple. When the key fob leaves the car's sensor range, the system automatically locks all doors. Some cars let you set a delay, like 30 seconds or a minute, so you have time to grab forgotten items from the cabin. Certain models even add a beep or light flash to confirm the car is securely locked. This feature brings real benefits. First, it protects your belongings, especially when you're rushed or carrying bags. Second, it reduces the risk of theft due to forgetting to lock, a common cause of stolen cars or items. Most importantly, it offers peace of mind. You don't need to glance back or press the remote again. The car handles it for you. Surprisingly, not all drivers know their car has this feature. Many go years without activating it simply because they haven't explored the settings. On some models, you can enable or tweak it in the infotainment system with just a few taps. 11. Ventilated seats and cooled storage. These features seem like luxury add-ons, but many cars quietly include them to boost driver and passenger comfort. Imagine a sweltering summer day. Instead of sitting on scorching leather seats, you feel cool air gently flowing through your back and thighs. That's thanks to ventilated seats with tiny vents tied to the AC system. The steady stream of cold air lowers body temperature, reduces sweat, and keeps you comfortable on long drives. For drivers on long hauls or wearing suits, it's a true game changer. Alongside this, some cars have a cooled storage compartment, often in the center console or behind the seats. Using the AC's cold air, it keeps water bottles, soda cans, or even a child's milk box chilled. This small detail makes a big difference. No need for a cooler or worrying about drinks warming up after hours. The sad part, many owners never realize their car has these features. Some sit in their vehicle for years without noticing the small console compartment can cool drinks or that their seats can ventilate. 12. Downhill assist control. If you've ever driven down a long, steep hill, you know the feeling of your foot straining to hold the brake pedal, exhausted and worried about overheating the brakes. That's where downhill assist control or hill descent control comes in, a feature many drivers overlook. It's brilliantly simple. The system automatically manages braking and gear selection to maintain a steady speed, typically between 3 and 20 mph that you set. You don't need to touch the brake or gas pedal. The car creeps down the slope safely and smoothly. This is a game changer on mountain roads, slippery hills, or off-road trails. It not only gives you peace of mind, but also protects the brake system from overheating and reduces wear. Many drivers mistakenly think this is only for off-road vehicles and ignore it. But even in everyday scenarios like steep parking garage ramps, long overpasses, or wet roads, this feature helps control the car better, especially for new drivers. Activating it is easy, usually with a button near the gear shift or center console, often marked with an icon of a car descending a slope. Once on, a light signals it's active, letting you release the brake and focus on the road. The safety and ease are a stark contrast to white-knuckling the brake pedal. 13. Blind spot monitoring with mirror or warning lights. One of the most understated yet incredibly useful safety features is often ignored by drivers when driving, especially on highways or in busy city streets. Blind spots, areas beside and behind the car that mirrors can't fully cover, cause countless accidents during lane changes, passing, or merging. To address this, car makers include blind spot monitoring using indicators in the side mirrors or warning lights on the A-pillars. It works with radar or cameras at the rear of the car, constantly scanning both sides. When a vehicle enters your blind spot, a small icon, usually a triangle or glowing dot, appears on the side mirror. If you signal to change lanes while an obstacle is detected, the system may beep or flash more intensely. Some high-end models even vibrate the steering wheel to alert you. The benefits are obvious. You don't need to crane your neck or guess blindly. Potential dangers are flagged right in front of you. This is especially helpful for SUVs, trucks, or high-clearance vehicles with larger blind spots than sedans. Many side collisions could be avoided thanks to this small feature. Did you know your car is packed with hidden features you might never have used? From the mechanical key in the fob to the anti-glare mirror toggle, secret storage compartments, and blind spot warnings, these are all designed to boost safety, comfort, and protection in unexpected moments. Don't let them stay dormant. Explore, activate, and make the most of them. Sometimes a single small detail can save you from major risks while making every drive more comfortable and secure. Pretty amazing, right? Your car is loaded with hidden features designed to keep you safer, more comfortable, and even save you money. But most drivers never discover them. And here's the thing. What we covered today, that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to unlock even more secrets hiding inside your car, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. In the next video, I'm breaking down features so overlooked that even longtime drivers don't know they exist. Yet they could save you in an emergency or prevent a costly repair. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. This is Car Fix Free, showing you how to drive smarter, safer, and with money still in your pocket. See you in the next one.